Hi, and welcome back. So, let's find out more about these beautiful, powerful beings. Tillandsias, air plants. Air plants. The genus name is Tillandsia. There are approximately 540 species of Tillandsia, commonly found in South America, parts of Mexico, and the southernmost border states here in the United States. Tillandsias thrive in deserts, mountains, and forest regions. Tillandsia supports themselves in dry areas by collecting moisture and nutrients from the surrounding air. Their nutrients are dust, pollen, insect matter, and decaying leaves or bark. In most areas, air plants do not need to be in soil, as you can see here. In their native setting, Tillandsias attach themselves to a host. An example, like a tree or fallen trees. Tillandsias are not considered a parasite because they do no harm to the host or the tree. Tillandsias are not considered parasites because they do not harm the host. Air plants can easily produce as many as 12 offspring. When the leaves change color, that means that it is a monocarpic plant. So, as you can see here, that leaf is changing color from the green. Prior to dying, air plants change color, their leaf color, from green to reddish, as we can see right here, or a purple hue. As you can see, some of these are changing. Once the mother plant dies, metacarpic plants produce a flower before they die. So, as you can see here, this plant, it's changing its green hue to red. So that lets you know that that is a metacarpet plant. And once you see those leaves change, it will flower. Once it will flower and produce the flower before it dies. Once the mother plant dies, her pups will continue to grow and will also bloom at some point in the future. Air plants can tolerate a wide range of temperatures. Temperatures from 90 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Frost from prolonged periods can cause damage, but the hardiest of the air plants can survive the frost. Air plants contain certain properties that have been used in Western modern medicine to inhibit pollen-related allergies for people. So, as a recap, air plants clears the air. Yes, because it feeds off of the dust, the pollen, and bacteria bacteria in the air. They absolutely love it. So, first up, because I am using this glass vase, the first thing, because it does not have any drainage, and you are using a pot without drainage, the first thing you want to do is actually sprinkle in some gravel. Or, in this case, I'm going to grab some gravel. And place it right there in the container. Secondly, I'm going to go to the soil. Now, I like to use my hands. I love getting my hands in the soil. But if you're a person that don't want to get your hands dirty, I can understand. So, you're going to take your soil. The second step is to take your soil and place it right there in your container. Perfect. Just want to break this up just a little bit. Perfect. As you can see, the reason that I like glass is because I got a thing about soil, and I just love to see soil. And I also love to see the roots of the plants. So, you have your soil and your gravel. Gravel first, then soil. Place it in your container. Okay. Make a hole. For that companion plant. Third step is to grab your companion plant. Place your companion plant in the pot or container. Now, when you place it in, you want to take your 2 fingers, if I can get them in there, and you just want to pinch it down, just like that. Get it nice and sturdy and straight up in your container. That's lovely. It's coming along quite lovely, as you can see. Once you have your companion plant in, grab your moss. As you can see, this is very simple to do. And beautiful. You know, working in the soil, believe it or not, is very relaxing for the body and the soul, because it allows you to connect with other beings naturally. And boy, does that feel fabulous. Once you have your moss in, as you can see, quite lovely. I tend to take a dip all the way down into the pot and actually making a spot for the Tillandsia. Grab your Tillandsia. You can see the roots on that Tillandsia if you can zoom in. Beautiful. Yes. And you can just place it right into the actual container. So once again, it does not need to be down in soil. You just want to actually place it there. Now, some gardeners actually use a glue gun to stick it down in there, and that's exactly what we're going to do. With your glue gun, you just want to dab right on the moss some glue. Get it right on there. Grab your Tillandsia. Which way you want to put it. Hold it there for a moment or two. And as you can see, look how beautiful they are together. Tillandsia and terrarium plants. And we will be spotlighting those terrarium plants at another time. I hope you had fun. I know I did. Had a wonderful time. If you have any questions, you can contact me at thegreenambassador.org. Thank you. Bye-bye.